session, we are going to continue with the fifth module, that is environmental pollution mitigations, that is developments in this, and how does the GS works. So GS information already we have studied in the last sessions, GS and remote sensing things. So here again we are dealing with how does it works. Okay, before that we'll see the principle. The preparing result, one of the most exciting aspects of GS technology is the variety of different ways in which the information can be presented. And also the principal data capture data sources are mainly obtained from the aerial photographs, images which is captured by the satellite, and manual digitalization, and paper maps, and existing digital data sets. So here database management and updated data security, data integrity, and data storage, data maintenance abilities. So it will be important, and the collected information will be analyzed and interpreted, and which qualitatively and quantitatively. So before starting, how does the GS works? We shall have seen this example, that is two restaurants as a starting point. They have may look out the different data sets. That is, first one is the fast food joint may look at maximizing their catchment area and accessibility, and they will look at the busiest roads and best junctions to place at, and close to the the leisure areas, crowded areas such as any stations, bus stations, railway stations, or shopping malls, or any other non-exclusive entertainment issues, efficiency and maximization of the profit. The exclusive restaurant it is will look primarily at desirability and facilities that best reflect their image, and also even though they have two will be concerned with maximizing their profit, they are less concerned with the number and more concerned with the image. They may appear near other exclusive restaurants, near theaters and other high class the leisure facilities, that is crowded areas. And also both may use GS to find the ideal location, and can access any number of websites to collect relevant data for their business plan, and this information makes it easier to manage what we know, and to explore the extra collect that which may most useful to us to based on the widest variety of relevant data. So here, and we have a five important steps of the GS, that is requesting or acquiring, and examining and analyzing. So definitely while requesting, what is the problem statement? First we need to discuss problem statement will be discussed, and trying to solve or analyze, and where it is located. So the guidance of the question will be help to decide what to analyze and present the result uh, to the audience, to the customer, and the accuracy, that is accuracy that they may need to find the data needed to complete their project, uh, but the type of the data, geographical data, will be perform the more analyze after the more analyzation, and also examine. Examine means to will be surely to know their ideas appropriate from their studies, and also having truly examined. And also this includes like how the data will be organized systematically in the management system, data management system, and the accuracy of the origin of the data. So from the origin of the data and the location will be important. And analyzation, that is geographical analyzation is the central strength of the GS, and also depending upon our project, there are many different methods of analyzing to choose from, and the GS system will be more effective, and it relatively very easy to acquire the information, and also the changes and creating the new outputs will be based on the project which is active, and also the result of the analysis can be shared through the reports or maps or locations or images, or any other the prints digitally or in the soft copies through the over a network or a web, and you must decide how best to prevent your analysis. Like GES facilities are adopted by the results for different audiences in a different respective different ways. So definitely the working will be like first will be the request from the respective person, and also to acquire acquire that is data, collecting the data, that is like a literature survey, we need to collect the data, that accuracy will be there. So that type of data geographically scope of that project will help direct to your data collection and methods to perform the analysis, and definitely examining all the things, so that how the data will work for your project, that will be there. And as I said, analyzation, and next will be the action taken by the particular project engineers or any other things. Because after like in the management we have seen many process, that is first planning and organizing, same thing. Planning is important, and then that plan should be organized in a proper way. So same way here also, request will be important, and then accuracy, and then examine and analyze to start the particular project.